Y'all, so I didn't get much this week. I am so behind on the grocery hauls. I'm still contemplating if I should continue to do them, but I'm going to link this grocery haul or Aldi haul with the other one, the previous one. So I did get some strawberry banana blend. Jason and I have been eating a lot more smoothies and adding protein powder to it. I should have got some almond milk, but water has been just fine. I usually don't like that, but it hasn't been bothering me with the protein powder that I have. I use the Vega with Super Greens and it's okay. So I have some pineapple chunks. I did get some French toast sticks. JJ is home. It seems like I've been ripping and running because just seemed like just doing everything. School, started back doing gig work, and once you start going back to doing that, it just seems like it's a little addicting. I don't want to say addicting, but you enjoy doing it, and I just haven't had time today. And yeah, and I just got back from the pharmacy for my brother, and I guess for us too. I'll show y'all what I got from CVS. And so, I picked up JJ yesterday from school, y'all. So anyway, and that was like last minute. So today is pizza day. It's Friday. I'm making it easy on myself because I want to do some homework. I want to plan. I want to watch Gilmore Girls because I've just been doing for seem like everybody else. Okay, so I got some of these fried roasted vegetables. Someone on TikTok said they were good, and I thought the bag looked a lot bigger. So I did save the video, and I think it's this because I didn't see nothing else. It was another bag of veggies, but I want to try these and see. They were like $3.49. The pepperoni pizza, I got these for today. We got Domino's last week, so I wanted to switch it up. And then I didn't go to Walmart to get the Sargento cheese. I usually like to get their mozzarella cheese and doctor it up, but I'm not going to do that today. I have some extra pepperoni to add on there, mainly to add on my cauliflower pizza. I wanted Caesar salad. I really wanted a Chick-fil-A Cobb salad. I haven't eaten today. Not really hungry, but I haven't eaten today, so I don't know if I'm going to eat this. No, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my cauliflower pizza, but I'm going to, I have some rotisserie chicken, and I'm just going to make a sandwich out of that and add some of that blend seasoning and some mayonnaise, y'all. It's so good. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, y'all. So the ladies' booties, the boots. So as soon as I saw these, I wanted these, but when I do gig work, for some reason, I just act like I can't spend no money on nothing. So today is actually Friday, and these came out Wednesday, but I knew my store would have them today, the other store. So I got size 9. I can wear 8 because I probably wear socks and just to give myself room. And I mainly wanted these to match my Coach bags. I've been trying to be more intentional with my choices of course, my handbags, but my shoes matching my handbags. So this is another week that they coordinate. I really wanted these two, but I ended up just go ahead and get the black ones. But I need to make sure I don't have something in my wardrobe already. Y'all know how you get rid of stuff and you wish you didn't? Yeah, I had some little booties back in the day that were like a really light white color, and I think I got them from Walmart somewhere. Little or nothing, and I got rid of them. But anyway, these are like in a beige, light beige oat color. I don't know, but Coach has a handbag that is oat, and I'm hoping they are the same color. I don't know, but if not, that's okay. And I haven't even got the handbag yet, but it's on my radar to get. So I got those to go with that. If not, they don't match, that's fine. It's a really pretty color. The same for these. They can match my other handbag that I just was in, and it may be a little off. I don't know. So I couldn't leave them there. I love this color. These are $14.99. I didn't say that, y'all don't think. And then I got black, because of course black goes with everything. I can wear these to church and wherever. But anyway, I got these. So $14.99, you can't beat that with a stick. I also saw these pictures, and I wanted every last one of them, y'all. But I only got one today. They had a few left. I did see the mirrors, but I didn't need a mirror because I have a mirror up there. But I did think about getting one for my mom for her birthday, but I didn't know which one she wanted. So we'll see. We'll see. Go out there and yeah. So This one is really, I like this one. It was two of them that looked really similar. This one just had more 3D paint on it and the frame was different. They were $9.99, and this one just reminds me of growing up in the country, you know, different areas down my dirt road. That's just what it reminds me of. So I had to get those. I didn't want to get too many small ones, but the other one that was kind of like an arc, yeah, that one was really pretty anyway. Honeycrisp apples, we love these now. I just got a loaf of bread. I have one in the freezer, I think, so I just got it. I'll probably end up going to the grocery store again for lunches. I just didn't want to do that today. And yeah, so I got some cauliflower pizza. I love this. I was telling my oldest son, I talked to him for a long time when he was at work, and I told him to try this because I've been telling him to try to eliminate some things out of his diet to figure out what it is. I know he's probably lactose. Not probably, he is lactose intolerant because, you know, as a baby, I had to go through all the different formulas with him. So he kind of said that he can't really tolerate none of them, y'all. Even almond and soy milk and coconut milk and all those ones. But I told him try eliminating maybe gluten and try these cauliflower pizzas. I like them. He said that it was okay. But what I also do is I add pepperoni to mine, and then I was adding Sargento cheese to it, and then that Flavor God pizza seasoning. I don't have that because it's all gone, and I didn't see where Walmart had it. They probably have it in store, but I didn't see it online. So what I'm going to do is probably add some Italian seasoning to the top of it, and that's it. And it's really good to me. So they do have a pepperoni one, I think, but I always get the veggie ones because I want all the veggies, and I just add my own pepperoni. But that's it, y'all, for today. Oh, and so I said that I was going to start utilizing my memberships for the big bulk stores because it's just a lot of things are a lot cheaper, but you know how you want it right then. And so anyway, I went to the dentist a couple of weeks ago, and he was telling me to be consistent with the Sensodyne. So I know I can coupon sometimes for the Sensodyne, but mainly for the other toothpaste all the time and get it literally for free. So when I run out, I said I was going to order them by Sam's. I think Costco I can too, but Sam's, I think it's like $21 or $20 some for a pack of 5 or 6 or something like that, and just get it delivered instead of buying one at a time because they're like $6-7. At CVS, they're $8 and something. So today, I bought these with my extra care bucks because I think I missed out, y'all. My extra care bucks expired last month, and I missed it. And I usually don't like to do that. So if I don't have a coupon deal made up in my head, or if I don't go in there and use it, I'll just go buy something like some vitamins or something I need, or card for somebody, or like toothpaste like today. So these were not on sale, but they were two coupons, only one of course matched up. So $3.50, they were $8.59 each. And that was a little high, but I knew I had extra care bucks, $14 in extra care bucks. And then that $3.50 coupon came off, so I only paid a quarter. And then, of course, I was picking up prescriptions, so I got $2 extra care bucks that I use for later. So usually I like to roll them over using detergent especially, or toothpaste if it's on sale, and something else, but I can't think, paper products. But today I needed this because he told me to be consistent, and I can tell, I don't know why I grind my teeth, y'all, sometimes. And I can just tell it's like hurting, you know, sometimes. And I was like, yeah, he told me to be consistent. I can't just stop the Sensodyne and go back, which I normally don't like to. But you know how you do. If I got a stockpile of toothpaste already, then I you know, it's quick. You want to just grab that. But anyway, y'all, to say all that, I was just explaining that, you know, got that for little or nothing. But thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.